Okay, this is the most important data types of programming, any programming language, either it's Python, C language, Java, or any programming language. That's called list. Well, accidentally, this is also the first data structure we are going to learn. List, well, it is an ordered sequence of object that can be any type. Well, it can be like, let's have this list as we have this bracket in the list. In this bracket, we have everything like 1, 2, 3, 4, in everything. So it can be any type, like list 2 as 1, we have a string, we have a true, boolean, like, and anything. I want to print this list 2 and see, these are prints. Well, a list is mostly we use for to have everything in ordered. So if you have the background in C language, it's called array, but array, same, it is like that, and we just have a little differentiation from the array. There is a little difference between them, but mostly it is called an array as well. So how to do, like when we talked about a string, we just did string indexing or string slicing. Here how we can do string list indexing or list slicing. Like in string, I said it is mutable, but in the list it is immutable. It's very good. So in string, in string, the string is immutable and the list is mutable. The list is mutable. So it can be changed, or it can be rearranged, or it can be reassigned, anything. Like for example, let me have li 2 is also it also starts from 0. The indexing will be start from the 0. So let me comment out this, and I want to print out, see, instead of apple, in apple it prints a pen. So it is mutable, it can be changed. So the same thing, like string, we can index or we can find the indexing. For example, if I find the 0, 2, and yes, 1, and the pen. So the same thing, like slicing, which we have talked in string, the same thing will apply here, and the same method will be applied here. So for example, if we have like a matrix, okay, we have multidimensional, okay, how we can use that, or how we can find the index, or how we can reassign. For example, we have multidimensional, like this. Okay, now let's print matrix. And well, when we say this, the first bracket will indicate the first bracket, like it is 0, means bracket 0, and the second bracket will be index of that bracket, the first bracket. Like in the second bracket, I want to access this 5, I can write 1. Okay, if I print out this, so this is 5, I have accessed this value, and the same thing will apply. And if there is multi-dimensional, we can do it like this, we can do it, this thing will be continued. So this is like matrix, and it's very important to know the list indexing or the list slicing.